Rev up your engines! Due to the tons of emails I've received from people asking to show off their cars on my channel, I'm changing Thursday's segment from the best fix of the week to car versus car contest. Every week, 3 contestants will compete to win a $100 Amazon gift card and show off their own car in 3 1.5-minute segments. And you viewers get to decide who wins the contest at a poll at the end of the video. I'm looking for stuff like this, or this, but not this. Now, only horizontally shot videos will be used, so don't shoot it vertically. Make sure you shoot it horizontally so it'll fill the screen better. To enter, send me your 1.5-minute video to my email, and I'll choose the best 3 to show in next week's episode. For rules and details, check the video description below, and good luck in the car versus car contest. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.